Hello, good day. So today I'd like to show us Canva basics, like the interface of Canva. Okay, so right from the beginning, this very one actually shows your design, like what you've already designed on Canva. Okay, then template actually shows us different types of template, actually, like poster template, flyer template, document template, presentation template. We have in Google we have Google Slide. Okay, we have something similar to that here. We have Google Doc. We also have documents on Canva. Like, we have so many things that are actually easy to use here, just like on Google. Okay, so also the three dotted lines by your left, we have your account. It clearly shows your account. Now this is my own account. We have brand. This brand here actually means the brand kit. Like, if you have your brand logo, your brand font, your brand color, everything, just so that everything will just be in one place. You won't have to start looking for it and all of that. Now this app is actually a new interface. Let me click it and show you how it looks like. These apps, when you click on it, there are so many things that you can use the apps to do. Like, now I think this is like kind of a collaboration between other brands and Canva, okay, to help us use their own features directly from Canva. Okay, so we have AI generation. Okay, this one I think is from Canva, I can't tell. So AI generation, like, you can generate image, you can generate designs, you can also generate videos. Okay, and audio and voiceover. It can generate audio for you, like text to speech, and I think speech to text as well. Yes, I've tried that before. So communication, file and data management, graphic design, marketing, like, it has so many things. This is actually on Canva Pro, if you're on Canva Pro. Okay, even content planner and product photos, mock-up, you can just try it out. You really enjoy it. So Canva is one big design brand that has so many things in it. Like, it unveils new things every day. All right, so these are the designs that I've made so far. These are the designs that I've made so far on this theme. Now I showed us these three dotted lines. Now in now this under the OSAS team. Now you can join so many teams, that is if you have paid. Okay, so if you need Canva Pro, you let me know. I'll show you how to do it. So these are the ones that I've joined so far. When it expires, we get a new one so far, but I think it's from the person that actually got it from. Okay, so now I said something about templates. We have Instagram post here. Look at it here. Instagram post, mobile video, social media post, photo editor, so much, like a whole lot. All right, now let's say we want to design an Instagram post. So let me use this opportunity to design an Instagram post. Now, one thing about Canva is that, or in every design, is that you need to understand that every platform has different design measurement. Okay, that's different design measurement. Instagram story has a different design measurement. Also, this Instagram feed, like, they have so many things. There are different design measurement for each of it. So in order to get the actual one, now I noticed that Instagram post actually has, I think, 2 or 3 different kinds of design. Now there is one that is an actual square, which is all sides equal. There's one that's not, that's kind of two sides equal, and it still fits in. And then the one that is two sides equal can't really go for posts, but it can go for reels. The one that all sides equal can't go for reel, but it can go for post. Okay, so, and also this plus sign here, let me show you the down part. Now this home, this is where we are. the project, that's what you have been doing so far. The plus sign here is if you want to import file, or if you want to import anything from your phone to Canva. Okay, all right. For instance, now a client actually told gave you the size of a design on, okay, I need this kind of design, I need this exact shape. To make it easier for you, instead of you to go and look for design, shape, oh, what kind of what kind of measurement is this, that and that, just make it the exact sign, a exact shape. Maybe you want to crop it also, then you click on this plus sign and you import it. Now Canva will take note of that and they'll give you template similar to that, so you're actually being able to work on that particular um dimension, on that particular size, so you won't have any issue with your clients. Okay, now the third one here is the fourth one, sorry to say, is template. Now the last one, which actually looks like a crown, is for themes. That means if you want if you need Canva Pro and you can't actually pay much for it per month or per year, now you can collaborate with, you can join hands with a certain number of people and pay pay bit by bit as a team, so that you guys will be able to have access to a particular um Canva Pro features. Okay, so like I said, I would like us to design an Instagram post. You can just simply click on this Instagram post, or you just write it here, Instagram post. Okay, now first of all click on this template. And then type Instagram post. Click on the search button. So like I said, Instagram post, we have so many, I think 2 or 3 different sizes. You can see these ones are actually all size equal. The 4 sides are equal, and these ones here are 2 sides equal. They are still Instagram post, so you can choose either of it and it will still be okay. The reason is so it will not have to cut out. Okay, so you don't have to cut out. Now another thing is this, you can also make slides here. Like I said, these are presentations. Yes, so another thing is that if you need a particular post, like a sample, let's say for instance you can see this one is talking about happy new month kind of a stuff, happy birthday. That means if you need a particular theme, maybe birthday, any kind of ceremony or so you can easily give it to you. That's to narrow it down. Let's say Instagram post real estate. Let's use real estate. You can see everything is now about real estate. Can you see it? Okay, all right. Another one is, let's use Instagram post. I want to make a post about virtual assistant. Sorry about that. Virtual assistant. Because I'm a virtual assistant, I want to make a post about it. So we can use any of these templates. Okay, can use any of these templates. Let me choose one of it and then let's get something done. You can choose any of it and edit it. Okay, I think I'll choose this particular one. So before I start, we now this is where we are going to design. Okay, now these things, all the features here means a whole lot. Okay, it has a whole lot in it. Now let's say you don't really like this particular one. You click on the first one here, which is design. Okay, now design will actually show you the same size, the same words, like the same services, which is virtual assistant or things related to this, maybe take or so. Let's click on it so that you see it. Now you can see that this is the one I choose, and then this is what it showed me. It's actually showing me things related to this or the same size. Let's say you did not like the first one, or you need more than one. You can come up here and choose more than one. Okay, you can see virtual assistant, build a brand, social media management, digital marketing, a whole lot related to it. Okay, now the second thing is this: if you need templates, if you need shapes, icons and all of that, you go to element. Okay, you go to element. Now in element, let's click on it. Let's say for instance I don't like I want to change this picture to maybe someone else, maybe a guy or so. I'll click on element, and this is what we have in element. We have shapes, frames, square is part of shape, lines, icons, WhatsApp icon, circle, any icon. Now this one is actually showing because these are the ones I use most of the time. Okay, you can see shadows, like a whole lot. It can also generate images for you. We have videos here, we have background photos, we have warning signs, stickers, shapes, charts, polls and quizzes, sheets, like Google Sheets kind of. Okay, we have so many things here. These are the mock-ups. Okay, we have collections here if you want to use any of these. So let's take a girl's photo, another girl's photo. So I'm going to type a lady holding a laptop. Now, why am I specifying what I want her to hold? Is because I want to design something in relation to laptop being the service. Okay, now laptop like online service. She can be holding a phone, no doubt, but I want her to hold the laptop to make it look more professional. Okay, so let me take this. Then I'll remove the background so that it will fit in. Now I'm using Canva Pro, please. I'm using Canva Pro. So in normal Canva you can't remove background. Okay, can't remove background with normal Canva, but you can use remove.bg on Google to remove your background. And then I want to adjust that photo, make it look much more better. Is either I use this adjust here, okay, or I use filter. This is the filter. Now we have fresco, belvedere, natural, warm and cool. Let's check out fresco. I need to adjust my lights so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let me see how it was before. This is how it was before. With fresco, this looks nice. Let me check warm. Let me check barley. It looks too bright. Capri, too bright. Let me go back to natural. Fresco looks a bit nice. Okay, but I can still adjust the intensity. I think this is okay. Okay, so if you have a logo, this one was grouped. I don't need it. I don't need all of these things. Remove really great sites. Sorry, I double clicked it. That's why it's that way. What you don't want, you can just delete it. I don't need all of this. Okay, so we have a problem here. All these stuffs here, I don't need it. I might need it later, but not for now. Now you can change the font if you want. Can change it. So I can write virtual assistant services. Now saying virtual assistant service sounds like a general virtual assistant service. I can write I offer these services. I offer these services. Okay, I've seen our services. I think that's better. Virtual assistant services. I'll go with virtual assistant services. Why? Because I've seen our services already. And aside from that, someone who wants to see it like the first glance, you definitely know that it's talking about virtual assistants. Out of all the tech services, it's specifically talking about virtual assistant. So administrative support, customer support, okay, social media management, okay. The reason why I'll leave it is because I offer these services, okay. So content creation, yes, and then graphic design service, graphic design, okay, content creation, okay, AI, animation, okay. Now to make it much more easier for me, I like to just take it to this format, B format, and then I put bullet print here, bulletin here, yeah. But it looks somehow. So now you can see this social media management as it's not okay. Let me check out something. Even if I take it up, it will still be the same thing. And this stuff here, no, this stuff should not be here. So the first thing I want to try out is to change the font, because the font looks okay, but to me not that okay. Let me try Georgia Pro bold. Okay, then if I have to, then I'll try this one as well. Virtual assistant services. Now everything being so bold doesn't look nice. Okay, so I think I'll go with this. Let me see how it looks like. Okay, can also change the color if you want to. Can change the color. Okay, I think I'll go with this. No, yeah, this should be better. And then I'll reduce it a bit. Okay, Now I want people to actually know that this is what I offer. I want to highlight these services. So I'll go to effect. Now remember that I highlight it first before I look for effects. I have to choose what I'm doing first before I look for what to turn it into. Now I want to change the background. Okay, normally it's always on yellow, so you click on it again. That's double click, change it to what color? I'll change it to blue. Sorry about that. Let me just change it to black. Then the text that was written there, change it to white. Okay. Then I honestly do not like that font. I don't know about you, but I don't like the font. Then I'll go with Anton. Let's go with Anton and see how it goes. Okay. But the Anton kind of looks so compacted. So I'll go to advanced. See it here. Go to this advanced, click on it. Then what do I want to space? Is it the letter or the line? I want to space the letter a bit. So I push it to the right. Okay, can see how it is. So just push it to the right a bit. Okay, now let's see. It looks somehow, the background, like the black behind it, still looks somehow as if it's too big. I'll still go back to that background. Now the roundness is too much. The roundness is okay. Now it's actually spreading too much, more than the text, the size of the text. So the spread should be a bit closer, so it will look naturally related to it, closer to Risha. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is to adjust this, make everything go in line, but it still looks somehow to me. Okay, I think it's okay now, and I want to increase the size a bit. I can just choose to do it from here or use the font size. So I choose to do it from here because of that laptop, so I'll know how to adjust it. Okay, then this picture didn't sound well. I never noticed that. I need to take it off a bit. Okay, so that means let me increase the space a bit. Go to advanced, line spacing. Now the first one we used was actually letter spacing. Now we are using line spacing. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Now if you notice, this administrative support is very close to service, so you highlight it and go to notch. Notch brings it down or it takes it up, left or right. Okay, so now we have what service you offer. We have what's left now is the call to action and your contacts, this stuff. So what I need now is a shape. Click on shape, or you just type shape in the box there. I'll click on shape, choose square. You can choose any shape you want. Choose square. The reason why it's green is because remember the first color we had here was green, so automatically it's green. If it was yellow here, it would have changed to yellow, but that's not a problem because you can easily change the color to whatever color you want. Okay, so I'll click on green, click on the color, sorry, then I change it to blue. Change it to blue. If you want to make the color like gradient, you can still click on the color, double tap on this, on it, sorry, click on the color, click on this arrow, then double tap on the color you already choose, click on this gradient, see it here, click on it. Now they'll ask you, how do you want it? You can change this blue to any other blue, to any other color, sorry, or you can choose to make it this way. I'm okay with it this way. Then that's it. You can see that it has changed a bit. Okay, now this is where you write your phone number or everything, any other thing you want to write. Okay, so I just want to adjust it to make it look nice. Because of that social media management. Then you can put your phone number, but I won't like this background to look this way. Okay, it looks so plain, looks so plain. So I want to choose something. I want to add something to it. So I want to add an abstract background to it. So I can type abstract, okay, sorry, white abstract background. Now not just white, you can choose any color. I like abstract background because it brings some kind of brilliance to it. Okay, so I'll go to graphics or photo. Now looking at the graphics here, I don't like it with abstract, I prefer photo. So I'll click on the photo, which is the third one. Click on photo. So let's try this very one. Now click on the three dotted lines here. Okay, click on these three dotted lines, scroll down, set image as background. Set image as background. Have you seen how it looks like? It looks quite impressive, but let me try out another one. Let me try out this one. Still repeat the same method. Okay. I can choose to change it to anywhere I want. Okay, now the first thing I did was to highlight it, that select it, and then I go to flip. Go to flip. Have you seen it? Have you seen how it looks like? Now let's say I don't really want it to show, and then go to transparent. Perfect. Now you see that line that actually showed. It's telling you where to keep your words or whatsoever you have, so it will not cut when you finally post it on a platform. Okay, all right. So here you can put your phone number. Let me remove this effect. You can put your phone number. Okay, 8167110919. Then you can now space it a bit. See how it is. Now you can use call icon because it's actually a phone number. You can also put your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel, any of it. Call icon 3D. All right, so that's it. That is it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you want me to make any other video, please, I really appreciate. Okay, I'm more than ready to make any other video on Canva, graphic design, anything you wish to know about graphic design. Thank you. My name is Peace Bassi. If you bye.